Another thing, it's all because of mirror neurons. We all human beings have mirror neurons. Female have more mirror neurons compared to male. And after human being, the second one, apes are having more neurons. But we have the largest number of mirror neurons. And as Dr. Philip has mentioned, empathy is not a soft skill. It's a strategic skill. So we are born with empathy. We are born with mirror neurons. Whatever is Subhash is feeling right now, I can feel that if I'm empathetically connected with him. As a leader, it's important for us to know, because whatever you are doing or whatever you are not doing, it's creating an impact on your team members. And if you connect with them, you can make them perform at their best. I clicked wrong way. Anyways, now you know the answer. So we know we know so many skills are required for leadership. Which one do you think is the most important? Problem solving, responsibility, collaboration, decision making. If you go to Google, they will give all this, because I have taken it from Google. Which one do you think is the most important skill? Which one? Problem solving. What else? Decision making. Trust, yes, I clicked that one. Trust is the most important thing. And what is trust in real life? Okay, I trust you, but what does the trust mean? Like, I ask people say, I love you. Okay, say, in physical world, how does the love look like? Do we know that? So I want to, in this situation, I want to ask about trust. How does a trust look like in physical world? The first and the most important thing is competency. Leaders need to have competency, of course. Nobody will hire you as a leader or think you as a leader. You will not have any followers if you don't have competency. The basic education, the basic certification, basic skills are required. But that is a bare minimum thing which we are looking for. What is the next thing we look for when we think about trust? Transparency. Transparency. What else? On Monday morning, I'm in a real good mood. You come to me and I'll say, yeah, you can go on leave, no problem. Tuesday morning, moment you come to office and I say, why the hell you were not in office? Why you did not attend it? What is this thing? What is that thing? I'm shouting. Wednesday, I'm very depressed and I'm sad that things are not going well. Do you trust me for that? No. Consistency is so important. Why? Because human brain doesn't like unpredictable things, uncertainties. We hate it. We want to make sure that what is going to happen tomorrow, day after. Do I have job? Do I have food? Is my place safe or not? We want certainty. And your consistency as a leader gives space to your team to know and predict what you want, how will you behave, how will you react. So even if you are evil, consistently be evil. Don't try to become good until you are ready to consistently be good. The third one is care. As Dr. Philip has mentioned, care is the most important thing for human brain. You can be little less competent, perfectly fine. You can be little less consistent, perfectly fine. But if you don't care about me, I'm not going to trust you. I'll give example. Before that, I'll ask a question. How old is human brain? Can anyone tell me? How old is human brain? I'm not asking your age because it is older than that one. How old is human brain? Any wild guess? Just throw any number.
2 million.
2 million? Little more?
8 million.
8 million, 7 to 8 million years back, first human being was walking on this earth. Our brain was evolving, but brain has not evolved as faster as our technology has evolved. So my brain still thinks if I'm coming out of my cave, wearing all the leaves and all those things, and suppose Gladwin is coming out from that side, and his hand has, he's the best hunter in that tribe, in that region, and his hands are hidden behind his back. Now, the first thought that will come to my mind is that, can I trust him? Is he going to hunt with me or is he going to hunt me? I need to be careful about that, right? So trust is the most important thing, and it's hard-coded in human brain. If I cannot trust someone, I'm not going to give my 100% to that team or that leader.